Shanghai AA4C Auto Maintenance Equipment Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional company engaged in the produce, research, development, service of garage equipments. Our main products are car lift, tire changer, wheel balancer, 3D wheel alignment, car washing machine, spray booth. We are located in Shanghai with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are warmly welcome in most countries and regions for CE certified, good price, prompt response, proper after-sales service. We have distributors in a lot of countries and regions such as Austria, Germany, UK, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Lithuania, Spain, Netherlands, Czech Republic, Spain, New Zealand, Australia, USA, Poland, Russia, Cyprus, Peru, Colombia. Beside the main products, we have full range of garage equipments, such as tire repair machines, workshop machines, hand tools. Please feel free to contact with us.